how is this, and this is a very basic question, more profitable for me than what I am doing right now?
That is because you are getting an assured return on per kilometer. And we have done some estimates, and we have also consulted some taxi drivers. So if you calculate it based upon the earnings that they will get, based on the government notified fares, even if a taxi driver is able to cover 100 kilometers as a trip distance per day for 26 days in a month, or let's say 312 days in a year consistently, the monthly income will definitely be in the range of 45 to 50,000. So that one thing that the taxi
monthly
driver,
income, you are saying the pure profit?
Yes, I mean like by after deducting all the fuel charges,
everything,
maintenance, EMI cost, everything, it can still come to around 45 to 50,000 if you are able to.
So net 50,000 profit.
Correct. If you are able to do at least 100 trips. 100 kilometers per day.
Yeah, which is very believable.
Yes, do 100 kilometers per day.
And if you are servicing a local, and if you are doing the complete circuit as you rightly explained, or if you are servicing a tourist, it can be much more than 100.
Yes.